An alumina ceramic rod begins as a solid ceramic form. Its cross-section, length, surface, ends, and functional features can then be defined around the operating requirements of the part. Depending on the function, the rod may follow a round, square, threaded, or porous route. Each route requires different geometry, finishing, and application details, while the appropriate alumina grade is reviewed against the operating conditions. Round solid rods are the basic route for supports, guides, stirring elements, and insulation components. Grade selection depends on temperature, atmosphere, electrical requirements, contamination limits, and cost. For review, define the diameter, length, straightness, and form, surface condition, load, and mounting method. Square and rectangular rods provide flat faces for orientation, positioning, support, or anti-rotation. Their grade is reviewed against the same thermal, electrical, chemical, and contamination requirements. While manufacturability also depends on section size, length, straightness, flatness, edge condition, and the surfaces used for assembly. Threaded alumina rods are used when the ceramic part must connect, locate, or fasten within an insulated or high-temperature assembly. The material must suit the operating environment, but the thread itself also requires a drawing-based review. Specify the thread form, threaded length, shoulder, and geometry, mating component, assembly force, and tightening method. Porous alumina rods follow a different functional route. They may be considered when gas or liquid diffusion, filtration, or a controlled porous structure is required. Selection depends on the requested porosity or pore range, working medium, temperature, pressure or flow conditions, dimensions, mechanical support, and contamination limits. These requirements must be confirmed separately. These are not for universal specifications. They are for engineering routes. For every route, purity and performance must be reviewed together with geometry, load, temperature, atmosphere, electrical needs, chemical exposure, and the way the rod is installed. Beyond the standard branches, alumina rod components may require a different cross-section, cut length, ground surface, polished area, chamfer, step, slot, hole, or other functional feature. Feasibility depends on how these requirements interact with the material, forming route, sintering, and final machining. To start a custom review, send a drawing, sketch, sample, or old part photo with the required material if known, cross-section, length, critical dimensions, and features, surface requirements, quantity, and part function. Then describe the operating temperature, atmosphere or medium, load, electrical requirements, mounting method, and current problem in as much detail as possible. If your application needs another alumina rod-shaped component, share the complete working conditions and functional priorities. ADCERAX will review the material fit and manufacturability, and identify what still needs confirmation before quotation.